And today our aim would be to complete this 4D and 4E, both of them. Okay, the chapter will be finished. In the previous class, we were learning about how to find LCM of given numbers using the prime factorization method, right? And where we did practice some questions. Okay, now so we'll be continuing from that. Okay. So Tanveer, um, okay, let's. Sumia hasn't joined, no? Okay, let us continue from this.
Yes.
So Habib, do let me know. As in the previous class, we were learning about how to solve this question. Did you had any difficulty in this? Did you understood the concept? What you have to do? Yes.
Sir, which question?
In the first question, you have to find
Yes.
LCM using the prime factorization method.
Hello,
Yes,
sir.
Sumaya. Yes, Assalamu alaikum. How are you, Sumaya?
Sir.
Okay then. Sumaya, we were doing exercise 4D. Okay, now. So let us do continue from here. We're going to continue from here. So question number B, I think this question we did discussed. Okay, now question number A. Okay, I'm giving this to Sumaya, and question number F I'm giving to Habib. Okay. So, but first of all, I'm again going to discuss one example with all of you. Then we are going to continue solving the questions. Okay. Say, for example, here we have two numbers, namely 12 and 30. And we are finding their LCM using the prime factorization method. So you have written it as the product of its prime factor. This 2, and 3. These are the prime factors of 12, right? And 2 twos are 4, 4 threes are 12. Same thing you have done for 30 also. 2, 3, and 5. Okay. So the first step included, step number 1 was that you had to show each of the number into its prime factors. Okay, now, as you have written over here. So that is the step number 1. In step number 2, what you have to do, you have to see the numbers over here like this 2 and this 2, this 3 and this 3. Getting it? These numbers are common prime factors of 12 and 30, right? This 2, the one that you see in the green color, and this 3. They are the common factors. Okay. So write down them as follows. Apart from this, the non-common factors, namely 2 and 5, multiply them as well. Right now? So you will take the common prime factors and you will multiply the remaining factors also. And then the final answer is 60. Getting it now? So the product obtained over here becomes the LCM of the given number. I'm giving a very small question to both of you. Find the LCM of 14 and find the LCM of 14 and 35, both of you. Using the same method, find the LCM. Both of you solve this. You both have to first of all do the prime factorization of the numbers. Okay. Also, Sumaya, you didn't uploaded the previous assignment.
and I couldn't complete it.
Okay. And before that also you haven't uploaded any assignment? See, assignments are given to you guys on a regular basis. So upload them on the regular basis. Okay, now? So try that. Do not, you guys don't miss out on any assignments. Okay, now? After this class also assignment will be given. Okay, now? After this class also assignment will be given. Right after the class, like after a few hours, once you get the assignment, solve them and upload it before the next class.
I got the answer.
Yeah, what is the answer?
CM 70.
70. Okay. What about you, Sumaya? Sumaya, yes, Sumaya, I'm waiting for your response. What answer you have got? Are you still solving it? So this is 7 twos are 40, right? Or 7 fives are 35. Right now we have shown it. We have done the prime factorization. Right now we have written the prime factors.
Sir,
Yes, Sumaya.
the, the answer is
70. Very good. Both of you well done. Right now. So LCM would be this 7 is common, right? So first of all, write the 7. Okay, now, and then whatever is left, just multiply them also. So that is 70. Good then. So you guys are good to solve these questions. Quickly solve question number A and question number F. F, Habib, you solve. Question number A, Sumaya, you solve.
So, where did the question go?
Yeah, over here.
Okay, thanks.
First of all, you may both of you have to do the prime factorization. Use the factor tree method to find the prime factors. Okay, now like this, for example, for 120, for 180, 280. Guys, increase your question solving speed.
Sir, I got the answer for mine.
So what is the answer you're getting?
Is it 120?
Is it 120? See, I have one very logical question to you guys. See, when we learned about multiples, so what is a multiple? Like multiple of 60 will be, if I were to ask you, both of you, hold on for a minute. Sumaya, you also pay attention here. Multiples of 60 will be 61s are 60, 62s are 120, 63s are 180, and so on. This will be the multiples. ये multiples होंगे. For 72, it will be 72 ones are 72, 72s are 144, 73s are 216, like this. For 90, it will be 91s are 90, 92s are 180, 93s are 270. Right now, I'm only talking about multiples, not talking about lowest common multiples. Okay. For 180, the multiples of 180 will be 181s are 180, 182s are 360, 183s are 540, like this. You are answering 120. Is 120 a common multiple for all these numbers? Huh? Is it a common multiple? No. Obviously, it is not. No. So how can it be the answer? What have you done? Can you please let me know? Have you done it correctly? Have you done the prime factorization correctly, Habib? Okay, answer to
Yes.
me. How have you broken down 60?
10 6 are
No, that is wrong approach. Always start with 2. If the number can be divided with 2, then start with 2. 2 30s are 60. Okay. Then 2 15s are 30. Now, the moment when the number can't be further divided with 2, then use another prime number. 3 5s are 50. That's how you have to do. Okay, then answer for the 72. Answer me.
um, so
Hmm. What is the half of 72? It's 36 now.
yeah, 36 to
36 to the 72. Then,
4 9 are
no, again use 2 now. It is still divisible by 2 now. It is still divisible by 2. So again divide it with 2. By the way, I gave a task to both of you to memorize the tables. I will be asking the tables also. So 36 will be
18
18.
to
18 to the 36. 2, so 2 and 18. Okay, then 18 will be further again.
2 9 are
2 nines are okay. Then finally it will be 3. 3s
3
are
3
okay. I'm not going to help you with the number 90 and 80. You tell me. Hmm.
can I divide into
No, no. It's such a simple question. By now you should be able to just by looking at the number you should be able to tell me. Yeah. So is Sumaya, you're saying something? You done?
40
Hmm.
48 to
48 twos are 96, no? Not 90. Two
yeah
45s. Okay. 2 into
okay
45 equals to 90. Okay. Then
Then 5 nines are
Okay, 5 nines are good. Or you could have taken 3 also. Let us take 3 right now. Okay, na? 3 15s are 45, right?
okay.
Okay, then
5 threes are
3 5s are 15, like this. Okay, now we have to follow a proper sequence right now. From increasing from in an increasing order we have taken number right now, not randomly like 5 nines or no. After 2, the next prime number we have taken 3. Okay, no? Then for 180 it is yes.
18 10s
No, not like that. You have to start with 2. Sumaya, you help me. You help us with this. Yes, Sumaya. Can you do the prime
180.
factorization of 180?
260s are
260s are 120.
290. 2
290s,
multiplied by 9.
2 multiplied by 90 equals to 180. Good. Next.
90. For me, I did for me, I did 9 tens are
Okay, you can do that also. That will not be
30
incorrect.
33s are
33s are. Okay, we can take that. Or how about we again use the number 2? 245s or 90? Okay, na? I'm using 2 again and again because the number is divisible by 2. The moment the number will not be divisible by 2, then I will stop. So 90 was divisible by 2 na, so I broke it as the in terms of 2. Now it is not divisible by 2 na, so then I will broke it in terms of 3 and another number. Okay, 3 15s are 45, right? Next,
then 3 5 are
3 5s are. Okay, now let us write all of them over here. So for 60 it is 2 multiplied 3 multiplied
5
5. For 72 it is yes, Sumaya.
2
Hmm?
into 2 into 2 into 3
Hmm?
into 3
Into 3 into 3. For 90 it is
2 into 3 into 3 into 2 5
2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Good.
yeah
Then we have
2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5
okay. Now we know what we have to do next. We have to first of all circle out all the common prime factors. This 2 is common, right? Okay.
3 also
Then the next number that will be common is this 3. So let us this 3 all the way like this. Okay, this 3 is common. Okay. Is 5 common? No,
no
5 is not common. All right then. Now in the final step, what you have to do, first of all, write down all the circle numbers. This 2 and this 3, right? Okay. Then let us take the common numbers over here. So what are
circle
other?
number is 260
Yeah, the answer will be 360. That is correct. Okay, now. So first of all, we have taken this 2 and this 3. And then let me use a different color. This one, yeah. This 2 is also there, right? This 3, this one is also there. This 5 is also there. And this 2 is also there, right? Getting it now? And this 5 is also there. So let us write them also. So what numbers is left to be written? This 2, and this 2. Okay. We have written all these 2. This one, this one, this one. Getting it, guys, now so far. And then what we have to write? Write the remaining 5 also. No, just hold on for a minute. The 3 you have to don't take this much of 3. Just hold on for 1 minute. Yeah. So we have taken 2 and we have taken 3. All right. Then you will take this 2. Okay. Then you will take this 5 from here. This 2 5 you will be taking. Okay, now. and then you will be taking these 3. Okay. And then you'll be taking the remaining 2s also. So thereby that is 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 5 is 66. 60, 60.
So after
There's some
we are
mistake we have
getting
done over here. We should be getting 360 actually over here. Getting it? The answer that we should be getting should be 360.
So,
Oh.
sir, for my question, the A1, my answer is 399.
What answer you are getting, Sumaya?
3990.
3990. For this question, you should be getting around 2520. The answer which you are providing, I doubt it is wrong. Okay, Sumaya. The answer which you have provided, it is not correct. You should be getting around 2520 for this number. For 120, for 180 and 200, 180 and 280. Okay, now let me see where we are missing out on this number on 60, 72, 90 and 180. Have a look. Please see if we have done the prime factorization correctly. Your prime factorization is correct. Let me have a look at it. What have we missed over here?
We didn't take 1 2.
Mm-hmm. Just give me
Beside
one.
3.
Yeah, that has to be taken. The I think it's kind of messed up over here. The answer should be, I think, for this, the answer 360 is correct. Let me just give me 1 minute. Let me clean it once again. Okay. So 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 3 multiplied 5. Over here we have 2 multiplied 2 multiplied this 3, then this 3 and then 2. Like this I've written this. Okay. For 90 it is 2 multiplied we have 2 multiplied 3 multiplied 3 multiplied 5. And for 180 we have 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 3 multiplied 3 multiplied and 5. Okay, so far correct. All right, now then
Yes.
this 2 is common, then this 3 is common. Okay, now so far that is how we have done, right? Basically for 60 we can write this like this also: 2 square multiplied 3 multiplied 5, right? Now because in the previous class I have told you, when a number is multiplied with itself, basically we are squaring the numbers. It is, we see that the squaring of the number is done. Okay, now like 2 times 2 in short can be written as 2 on the head of 2 you write a small 2. Getting it, both of you? Like this also you can write it. For 72, can I write it like this, guys? You guys tell me. Can I write it like this: 2 cube multiplied 3 square? 2 is multiplied 3 times here now. 2, 2 and 2. Getting it? So if a number is being multiplied with itself for 3 times, so just write the number and write the number of times it is being multiplied with itself. Are you guys getting it, what I have done over here? Both of you know? Good. For 90, can I write it like this? 2 multiplied 3 square multiplied 5. 3 is multiplied over 2 times now. So in short, I have written like this, okay? And for 180, can we write down the number like this: 2 square multiplied 3 square multiplied 5. Getting it so far, everyone? Okay. Now you guys tell me which numbers over here have been is being repeated maximum number of time. This 2, this 2, this 3, this 3 and this 3, right? Notice the circles I have drawn over here.
So those 2 also done.
Yes. No, just right now I'm telling you, you have to identify the prime factors with highest powers. That is over here. Getting it now? And then we have to multiply all of them together. Okay, now? So what numbers I'm going to take again? Just let me do a little bit of erasing to this part. Okay. Now listen very carefully to what I'm saying. You guys look at this 2 square and this 2 cube. Okay, which and this 2 square also, right? So out of these three, which one is bigger? This one is bigger now. 2 cube, right?
Yes.
Also look at it in this manner. For 72, 2 is being repeated how many times? 1, 2, and 3, right? But for 60, it is repeated only for 2 times. For 90, it is repeated for only one time. It is present only one time. And for 180, it is present for 2 times. So you have to take this 2. So select out this 2. Getting it, all of you know? What I have done over here? I have selectively taken out this 2 cube because it has the highest power, because it is being repeated for the maximum number of time. Both of you, this thing is clear? Is this thing clear to both of you?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now next after 2, the next number we have is 3. So this 3 is there, 3 is square, this 3 is square, and this 3 square is there. Yeah.
So we have to just take that 2 square, 3, 2 square, 2, and we should not take those other numbers.
Yeah, I will be telling you about that. Right now, just focus on what I'm saying. For the next number 3, we are going to take that 3 which is having the highest number. So we are taking this 3, like look at all the 3. This is 3 square, this is 3 square, this is 3 square, and this 3. So just since all of them are having the same power except for this 3, so just take any one of them. Let us just take 2 square. I mean to say 3 square. Getting it now? And we have ignored this 3. Okay. Getting it so far?
Yes. Yes.
Then after 3, we have the number 5. Okay, now? So 5, all of them, like the 60s, 90, and 80, all of them have the prime factor 5. Just take it as usual, as it is mentioned over here. Okay, now? So we can't leave it alone. So we have to take this. So then the final answer will be 2 cube is basically 2 multiplied with itself 3 times, right? Or 3 square is basically 3 multiplied with itself, and then 5. So it will be 2 twos are 4. Where's the pointer? Yeah, 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 threes are 24, 24 threes are 72, and then 72 fives are 360. So that will be your final answer. Getting it? Quite lengthy, but this is how it is done using the prime factorization method. Have you guys understood this? How it has been done? Hmm? Both of you?
Yes.
Okay, now. So we did the prime factorization, and then we looked at the numbers which are having the highest power. So out of all the 2's, here we had so many 2's. This 2 square, 2 cube, 2, and 2 square. But we only took 2 cube because it had the highest power. Then out of all the 3, this 3, this 3, this 3, this 3. So the 3 which has the highest power is 3 square. Okay, now? So, but they are how many 3 square? Kitne 3 squares hai? How many 3 squares are there? 1, 2, and 3. But you don't have to take all of them. You have to just take one of them. Na? So सिर्फ हमने एक लिया. सिर्फ we have just taken 1 3 square. Got
Because
this,
they're
guys?
same.
Because they are same, right? Na? And why we can't take this 3? Because it is smaller. It is lesser. Okay, na? And 5, all of them have the same power. So just take one of them. That's how it has been done. Okay. Or the other way, remember earlier I wrote down the multiples of 60, 72, 90 and 180. By listing method also we have. Yes. Okay, okay. So earlier we learned that by listing method also we can solve it. Okay, now where we have written the multiples of 60, like 61s are 60, 62s are 120 and so on. So that is the thing. Okay. Meanwhile, while Sumaya is away, do one thing. Using the short division method, you show how one of them can be solved. Using the short division method, find the LCM. Like take take question number C. Okay, Habib, solve this one, and then we'll be moving on to next
Sir, I know
exercise.
how to find HCF by short division method.
Yeah, you have to find LCM using the short division method.
Can
Okay,
you
no?
show?
Okay, sure. Say for example, let us take question number B. So we have 56, 140, and 210. Okay,
Okay, sir, I'm back.
you're back. Okay, okay. You're done with solving question number A, Sumaya? Have you got the
Yes.
correct answer? What answer you're getting?
No, I couldn't still understand. I got the same answer.
Okay, okay. See, yeah, I was telling you about Habib this one. Have a quick look at this. So first of all, take the prime factor 2. 228s are 56, 270s are 142, 105s are 210. Then again take 2 because all of them are divisible with 2. 214s are 28, 235s are 70. Not this one. There will be a problem like 105 is not divisible. Na? So let us take another number which can divide it. Okay, let us take 7. 7 fours are 28, 7 tens are 70, and 7 15s are 105. Okay, getting it so far now. Now then take 5. So 4 is not divisible with 5 now, so just leave it as it is. 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 50. Okay, then take the number 2. So 4 is divisible by 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2, 3 is not divisible, so leave it as it is. Okay, now here you have to stop. No need to continue further because all these numbers are prime numbers. Okay, 2, 7, 5, 2, 2, 1, and 3. So the LCM of all these numbers would be simply the product of all these numbers. 2 multiplied 7 multiplied 5 multiplied 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 1 multiplied 3. Getting it now? What we have done? That's how you have to find. Good. Yes, Sumaya. Okay, let us solve
What
it.
is the question?
You had to solve question number C. 21, 27, and 30. Okay. 21, 27, and 30. Okay, Sumaya, let me help you with this. And 260s are 120, right?
Yes.
Then you tell me 230s are 60. Further, after this, continue.
Sir, for me, I write for 60, I write 6 tens.
No, start with the small number. Start with the small prime number 2. Okay, now always start with 2. Okay, for 30, you will be writing it as?
30 for 30, 5, 6.
No, think in terms of 2. If it is divisible by 2, then break it in terms of 2.
Oh,
Think about it. Read the table of 15. Mm-hmm.
service table.
15, 15, 1, 5, 15.
Okay. 5 ones are 5. 15 ones are 15. 15 twos are 30. Oh,
So,
15 twos are
so thereby 2 15s are 30. Okay,
yeah.
this is 15. Okay, next 15 will be
3 5. 3 5s are
3 5s. So good. Okay, next moving on to this number. Yeah, think in terms of 2. Yeah,
2,
quick.
290.
Next.
Then the next.
Be quick. See, simply divide it 2. 2 fours are 8. Getting it. 2 5s are 10. So 245s are 90 now. Yes. Not that difficult. 245s are 90. Then
45.
think in terms of another prime number after 2, which you can take.
Do I have to do from 2 table or from any other table?
You yourself have to think about this. Okay, na? After 2, which is another prime number which I can take to break the number 45.
45. 5, 9, 6.
Think of 3. What about 3? Yes. Can't we take 3 15s of 45? Okay.
Yes.
And then 15 is? Sumaya, you really need to practice a lot. 15 will be broken in terms of?
3, 5.
3 5s of 15. Good.
3, 5.
Again. Next, answer this one quickly.
I didn't quite understand of 280. For that, I did in 2 multiplied by 140.
2 multiplied by 140. Good. Next.
And then for 140, I did wait, I didn't write.
Habib, meanwhile, you tell me you're done with the question?
Almost.
Okay.
It is 270 to multiply by 70.
270s are 140. Good. Next.
For the 70, I couldn't understand what that was.
See, 70, is it divisible by 2? The unit digit is 0. So instead it is divisible by 2 now. So again divide it with 2.
Okay. I'll check.
Yes, Habib.
I got 126.
126 for the number 21, 27 and 30, right?
Yes.
Okay, I will come to your answer in a minute. Okay, now? Yes, Sumaya, quickly. 70 will be written as?
Okay.
Habib? Okay.
2 multiplied by 35.
2 multiplied by 35. Okay. Then 35 will be?
Wait, 35.
It's that simple. Yes, Habib, what it will be? 35? In terms of its prime factors, how will you write it?
7,000.
7 5s or 5 7s or 35. Okay.
Yeah.
Sumaya, do tell me for how many hours you study maths at home after the class? Do you solve questions from your book or from any other workbook you have?
Study class, I have another class, and after that, I eat. And
Okay.
then I sleep. But after the class, I don't do. At morning time.
Okay. So this is 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 3 multiplied 5, right? Okay. And the another one for 80, 188 is 2 multiplied 3. Okay. Let's put the another 3 at this place and then 5. Notice how I am trying to align all the numbers. I have aligned one over another. Okay, now one below another. Okay, now.
Yes.
Then this one would be first. Oh yeah, this one would be 2 multiplied 2. Let's write this 2 also. So this 2, this 2, this 2, and then you have 7 multiplied 5. Right now I have tried to write one number over another. Okay. Or you guys tell me that can't we write it like this 2 cube multiplied 3 multiplied 5, right? 2 is being multiplied with itself 3 times now, so we can write it like this. Okay. Or here, can it Can't I write it like this? 2 square multiplied 3 square multiplied 5. Yes, Habib and Sumaya.
Yes.
And here 2 will be, you guys tell me. They are 3 2s. So what should I write? 2 square or 2 cube? There are
2 3 like 2
like this 2 cube. Okay, no? Then 7 multiplied with 5. Okay. Now, as per the rule, you have to take the number with the highest power, or the number that are being repeated the maximum number of time. So in the 2, you guys tell me, should I take 2 square or the 2 cube?
2 square.
So here, pay attention over here. Here the 2 is multiplied 3 times. Here only 2 times, and here also only 2 times. So you are going to take that 2 which is being multiplied maximum number of times. Okay. So while calculating the LCM, you are going to take 2 cube. Okay, now basically this one. Understood it now?
Yes.
And for 3, which 3 you will be taking? This 3 square or this 3? Here, the place where 3 is being multiplied, 3 is repeated 2 times now.
Yes.
Over here, so take this 3. Okay. Next, 5 is left. So the all on all the numbers, 5 is repeated for the same number of times. So just take it as it is. And 7 is there, so just write down 7 also. Okay. Now you will be simply required to multiply all of them, right? So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 3s are 72, 72 5s are 360. And 360 multiplied 7. 360 multiplied 7 will be how much? So that will be 2100 plus 420. That will be 2520 will be the answer. Okay.
Yes.
Both of you understood this?
Yes.
So coming to you to the question assigned to you. Right now we are switching to question number 2, Sumaya and Habib. Okay. So what answer you have got, Habib, for question number 6?
126.
126. Okay. So it's 21, 27, and 30. So first number I'm going to take will be 3, right? 3 7 so 21, 3 9 so 27, 3 10 so 30. Okay. Then let us take another number to be, we can take, let us take 2, for example. Okay. 2 sevens. Since the 7 is not divisible by 2, so leave it as it is. 9 is also not divisible by 2, so leave it as it is. But 10 is of 10 5s are, right? Okay, then we can take 3. Okay. Leave 7 as it is. 3 3s are 9 and leave 5 as it is. Okay. So here we have got all the prime factors as follows. The LCM would be simply multiply all of them. 3 multiplied 2 multiplied 3 multiplied 7 multiplied 3 multiplied 5. So when you find out the multiplication, what should be getting? 3 2s are 6. 6 3s are 18. 18 7s are. Have you guys memorized the table of 18? 18 7s. 126. Very good. 126 times 3 will be? Yes. Both of you do the multiplication and let me know the answer.
370. Is it 3? It's wrong. I
3
got
7.
wrong.
Yeah. Yes, Sumia, what answer you were providing?
For 126 multiplied by 3. For me, I got a 384.
It should be 378, no? Okay, then multiply 378 with 5. Okay. So you should be getting somewhere around 1890. Okay, no? So Habib, match your answer with this, match your method with this, and where your answer went wrong, where your method went
Sir,
wrong.
give me another question. I will solve it correct.
Okay. Sumaya, you have understood the method now, how using short division method you can find the LCM?
Yes.
Okay then. So you guys can pick any questions as you wish. Question number D I'm going to give to Sumaya. Okay. Question number E, Habib, you solve this, okay? And solve it before the class ends. Don't take that too much of time.
So for the first one, answer is 1890.
What answer you're getting? 1800 and
90. For the first one, 21, 27, and 30.
okay, yeah, that is correct then. Okay, no?
Wait, sir, I didn't understand for in the example that was like that
Okay,
3, 2, and 3. That one I didn't.
okay, see what we have done now. First of all, we have the numbers 21, 27, and 30. Okay. Now we will try to find such a number that will divide all of them. Right now, we will try to find such a number that can divide all of them. So 3 is a number that can divide all of them. Right now, 21, 27, and 30. All three numbers are divisible with 3. Okay.
Yes.
Then you have 7, 9, and 10. So all these numbers, we don't have any one number that can divide all of them right now. Like if we have taken 2 here, because 10 can be is divisible with 2, but 9 and 7 is not, right? Or you could have taken 3, so in that case 9 would have been divisible, but 7 and 10 wouldn't have been won't be divisible. So we have taken 2 here right now. So 7 is not divisible with 2, so we have written it as it is. 9 is not divisible with 2, so we have written it as it is. But 10 was divisible, so we have
Didn't
written 5.
understand it. They
See this.
do it.
Okay, okay. Let us take another example then. Say you have taken numbers like 15, 35, and let us take you have 47, for example, or 48, for example. Okay. We have three numbers. Okay. So first of all, we will try to find, is there any number that can divide all of them? Is there any number that can divide all these numbers? Think of this. There isn't any number that can divide all of them. Okay, no? So how about let us start with
5.
not 5. 5 will divide only 15 and 35, but not 48. Okay. You can start with 5 also, no issue. But usually we try to start with the smaller numbers like 2 or 3. Getting it, Sumaya? You can begin
Yes.
with 5 also. It will be correct, but let us start with 3. 3 fives are 15, but 35 is not divisible with 3 now, so just leave it as it is. If the number is not divisible, so just leave it as it is. This is the short division method of finding LCM now. So you have to adhere, you have to follow to the method, follow the method. 3 16s are 48, right? Got this now? So far, what we have done? Okay. Now we
No,
have the number.
what is like What about that 5 and 35?
Yeah, that's what. Yeah, that's what we are going to do next. Now talking about the 5 and 35 and 16. See, out of these three numbers, 5 and 35 is divisible with 5. No, if 5 is divisible, these numbers are divisible with 5.
How would we write that? Like if in another question, how would we write only to
First of all,
15?
Sumaya, first of all, pay attention to this particular question and look, understand all the steps carefully. Okay, now, and
Okay.
listen to everything I'm saying. Then, like, all these three numbers are not divisible with 5, right now, and neither all these three numbers will be divisible with just one number. Like, is it divisible with 2? Like 5, 35, and 16, are all three of them divisible with 2? No. With 3 also, it is not possible to divide all of them, right now. So then we try to find such a number that can divide at least two of them. So we have 5. Okay, Sumaya.
Yes.
So then 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35. 16 is not divisible. It can't be divided with 5. So just leave it as it is. Okay. Got this now? Okay. Now, talking about a number that will divide all of them. So we don't have any number that can divide all of them right now. Also, since 7 is a prime number now, so we won't be divided. There's no logic in dividing it any further. Getting it? There's no logic in dividing it any further. So just take any number that will divide 16 further. So just take 2. 1 is not divisible with 2, so just leave it as it is. 7 is not, so just leave it as it is. 2 8s are 16. Okay, now 8 can still be further divided right now. So thereby now write 2 4s are 8. 4 is still divisible further. So then write it like this. Now we are not going to divide it any further because these numbers can't be divided any further. So here we will stop. Got this so far, Sumaya, what we have done?
Yes.
And at the end, you have to multiply all these numbers, which I'm going to highlight. This number, no, simply multiply all of them, and that will be your LCM. So that is 3 multiplied 5 multiplied 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 1 multiplied 7 multiplied 2. Okay, now 3 5s are 15, 15 twos are 30, 30 twos are 60, 60 twos are 120, 121s are 120, 127s are 840, 842s are 1680. So the answer will be 1680. Okay, now I have done that in short, but you might take some time to multiply this, but I have given you answer in short. Okay, that is the step you have to follow. Okay, now start solving the questions. Once you start solving the question, it will be clear.
Okay.
Okay, now Habib, you're done.